Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we will be diving into some news that have been going around the space over the past week or so. A lot of big news in Layer 2 and some LayerZero news, but just some news on different projects and networks in the space that don't get touched upon enough. So we got some news on Starknet, zkSync, the SEI network, ZetaChain, and yeah, we'll just get started. So Starknet, they have some news on the roadmap prioritization, performance, and user experience. They've received feedback from things going on in their ecosystem. So until now, Starknet has concentrated on offering devs future-proof functionality with Cairo 1.0, signifying the stabilization of this development. This year, Starknet will undergo a seamless regenesis. There will be no downtime or resetting of the network state. For Cairo 1.0 contracts, regenesis is a non-event, requiring no action. Cairo 0, however, will shut down after ensuring the majority of the community can complete the transition. With performance and UX as this current focus, Starknet's timeline is as follows. They give a timeline here, Cairo 1.0, different versions, main focus, and the dates. So over the coming months, the primary goal is to improve network performance to support the anticipated growth in users and developers. Starknet v0.12.0 will offer significant throughput and latency enhancements thanks to 6 months of work on rustifying the Starknet stack, dramatically reducing block execution time and increasing throughput. Starknet v0.13 will drastically cut transaction costs by targeting L1 Ethereum data costs, which represents 95% of current transaction costs. Ethereum's EIP 4844 and Starknet's Volition off-chain data availability will contribute to significant data cost reductions. And recently, these transaction fees have been pretty high all across Layer 2s. To address potential congestion issues, Starknet v0 version 0.14.0 will introduce a fee market, allowing efficient allocation of the network's limited resources. In version 0.15, Starknet will transition to constant, shorter block intervals by decoupling the one-to-one relationship between a Starknet block and its proof. From version 0.15, a proof will attest to the integrity of one or more Starknet blocks, fixing block intervals and enhancing UX. Man, there is this annoying fucking drilling or cutting coming from construction upstairs. It's not cool. The combination of future-proof functionality and best-in-class performance and UX improvements is expected to continue attracting developers and dApps to Starknet. To learn more, read the full blog post. You can get involved, and there's more on the roadmap. But moving on to more Starknet news. So Argent, which is a project that is a wallet, smart contract wallet, for Starknet, are launching their own campaigns for you to interact with the ecosystem and stuff. So everyone knows Stark is coming, and the best chance to get in on the action is to interact with dApps early. We're excited to launch the Starknet Explorer campaign. 8 NFT drops over the next 8 weeks. Here's how to get the first one. So first, you need to have an Argent X wallet to be part of the Explorer campaign. Oh, excuse me. And you can find this, let me pull it up, Argent. Now Argent X is for the web browser. Argent Wallet is for mobile. So it's without the X, it's just Argent for mobile. But this is Argent X. You want to download this, install it, and so after you install it, and you can do it on Brave, on Chrome, on whatever. So you need to have performed a transaction on Starknet mainnet between 1st of April and 9th of May this year. So you have until the 9th to complete a transaction on the Starknet mainnet using your Argent X wallet, swap, rate a DApp on Dappland, etc. So if we come in here, we log in, you'll see I made many transactions, and and if you look up here, see where it says mainnet, you want it to be on the mainnet. And so number 3, on the 9th of May, we'll take a snapshot of all eligible users who can claim and mint the first NFT. Weird. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, if you've done, you can go to Dappland and rate stuff, but it looks like once you make a transaction and stuff, that'll be the first step. But Argent will be posting more each week. So if you're interested in this, join the campaign. It's not really difficult, but yeah, something to get involved in with the Starknet ecosystem. All right, now on to zkSync. We got some pretty cool news. They're highlighting several bridges that were recently added to the zkSync ecosystem, and also a tweet by LayerZero, who's adding zkSync to their protocol. So bridges play an important role in improving composability and interoperability across Web3. Today we are highlighting several of the bridges that have recently launched on zkSync Era. So Bungie, and a lot of these we've done in previous videos, but Bungie Exchange, now supporting zkSync Era. I said LayerZero. I kind of want to touch on this real quick. So yeah, projects already building on LayerZero can now easily expand to zkSync. So LayerZero's omni-chain messaging protocol enables developers building on zkSync to seamlessly extend their application to 30 plus supported chains. And there's the docs right here for you to check out. We got Orbiter Finance coming in, Seller Network, Symbiosis, Multi-Chain, OmniC, Misun. I haven't used that one before. And if you want to find out more projects in the ecosystem, here's the ecosystem.zkSync.io. And there you can explore all of the good stuff on zkSync Live and zkSync Era. And you can see which one's live on Era, or you can just click this little button right here and it'll show you all the good stuff. And zkSync is another one that doesn't have a token, so we'll see. We will see how some of these play. Now moving on to SEI, the SEI network. So they currently have this testnet campaign going on with Blocked protocol. So SEI and Blocked network, they have some cool campaigns for you to do. Let's see, where's the... I'll just go to the website. So this is the Blocked campaign or the blocked network or blocked protocol, I'm sorry, with the SEI testnet missions. Here you have 20 days to participate in some of these, and there's been 2 recent ones since the last video I did on SEI network, and one is, you know, with dual or on Eclipse, same as testnet mission 5, buy a dual token and get ready for the next steps. It's like a launchpad website, I guess. And then this one you're using Kryptonite, which they kind of I guess it's a finance project. I haven't used Kryptonite before. I'm guessing it's pretty new. Yeah, bringing capital efficiency as SEI Network's de facto bond market. So they'll give you a little dive into some of the DeFi on the SEI network, as well as there's another one, Astroport. So in here, it's not on the blocked website. So let's see here. Where is it at? Yeah. So familiarize yourself by exploring the testnet with the following missions from SEI Network: create liquidity pool, place a swap order, provide liquidity, report a bug on Astroport, and tweet a screenshot using Astroport on SEI. You can earn points. You know, get some testnet tokens from the faucet with your Kepler or Leap wallet. Get testnet SEI from Discord. Visit Astroport Fi and initiate your missions. So if you go to Astroport, it'll show you kind of what you need to do when you got testnet tokens and stuff. And I'll do a video on this at another time, but go in the app. Yes, read the disclaimer. Okay, so this is the Astroport, and what you'll be doing is connecting your Kepler or Leap wallet, and as it says in here, you want to create a liquidity pool, place swap order, you know, provide liquidity and stuff. So you'll swap here. Where is it? The pool. Provide liquidity into the pool. There's governance and there's airdrop. So this is going to be on, it will show testnets, and you'll see the SEI testnet right here. And yeah, that'll be a fun little thing for you to do alongside the blocked protocol application or the blocked protocol missions. So check this out. I'll give it a like and a retweet. And now, the final on our list today is ZetaChain. ZetaChain's got some big stuff dropping. They've been partnering with a lot of people. Recently, they partnered with Halborn Security as part of their launch-ready preparations. Both interviews of our head of security and full public report are coming soon. And then they have a Web3 collaboration tool, or a collaboration with a Web3 tool, Task on XYZ, as they integrate ZetaChain testnet to support any-to-any token rewards. So this Task on XYZ has campaigns for you to complete for different communities, different projects, and they are using ZetaChain's platform so that Task on XYZ can send and users can receive any asset on any chain. So which a lot of protocols you can only do one, you can't send across multiple chains. So with ZetaChain, it's like having access to all these different networks that you can send tokens natively across. So it's pretty cool. And there's more on their partnership or their integration here in their Medium. And STP Networks has a dApp called Click that now integrates with Zeta blockchain, Athens testnet, and is fully explorable network for developers to build and test dApps. And this is where you can go to the mirror and take you to this article. So they will be, I'll just kind of go ahead and read it. So following our community initiative to expand across multiple blockchains, Click is now deployed on ZetaChain. So STP and ZetaChain continue to explore aspects of DAO governance across any chain, starting with Click's integration onto the testnet. Since announcing the initial partnership last year, ZetaChain released its ZetaChain Athens testnet to over 1 million active users and is now fully explorable network for developers to build and test dApps prior to the mainnet release. This partnership will enable a new generation of decentralized applications powered by cutting-edge technology at ZetaChain. By integrating our DAO tool on ZetaChain's interoperable blockchain, we are making it even easier for projects and communities to conduct governance across multiple blockchains. We encourage users to try Click on ZetaChain Athens testnet through this link. To try out the testnet, you will need testnet Zeta, which can be acquired through ZetaChain's Get Zeta Faucet or Discord. And in addition to testing the testnet through Click, users can also interact with the network through ZetaChain's native omni-chain swap dApp. So this link right here will take you to this page, but I'll go ahead and open it up right here. So this is the Click page, and you can come in here and connect your MetaMask, and let's actually see if we can connect. All right. Connect to the girly. It's the girly website, or the girly network. The girly man network. All right. And there's the other testnet. Zeta Athens, Base Girly, zkEVM. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and switch over to the ZetaChain Athens. Yep. We'll add this, switch over. And we're on the Athens, baby. Got my Zeta, dog. Okay, so I guess come in here and you can create a proposal. Any DAO. Oh, these were old. Okay, this is a new version. So no active proposals. Interesting. Let's see, start time. Okay, we'll do that, and oh, you can't do it on here. Okay. So I guess there's only limited features for that right now. So there's not really anything to do on there at the moment, it seems. So we will just kind of, let's see if we can create a DAO. Test DAO. Let's see, categories. social, confirm, DAO logo required. You know, I'll just save this image. And I will put it as my logo. Description. Test DAO. Oh, we can't do it on the... Okay. Well, if you want to come in here and play around with this more, I think they'll have stuff active soon, hopefully. Yeah, but go ahead and check out these other campaigns, tasks, whatever quests that you'd like to see. Oh, there was another one, a Galaxy campaign that I wanted to touch upon. Yeah, Linea. This one is going to be a big one. So Consensus, zkEVM, that's now Linea, are launching their own public testnet quests with Galaxy. And this is oh, Jumper's sad. So this is going to be a big, I don't know if it's going to be a big quest, but it's going to be a hot one. A hot one, because Linea, I mean, it's all dependent on if these projects do launch a token or not. So this is all just speculation ahead of time. But it's better to get involved with it, and yeah, you just never know. You just never know if they launch a token or if they give incentives for you participating in these quests. So all right. Now, featuring their week one, we won't dive into all of this. So introducing Linea Voyage, public testnet that welcomes Web3 enthusiasts and builders. Week one ecosystem partners include Connex, Multichain, Li-Fi, Seller, and Hot Protocol. You can now explore scaling solutions on Linea. To better reward and recognize sophisticated early adopters, Linea Voyage will be taking place on Galaxy. And as they said, the director of Linea's product marketing said, Linea is thrilled to partner with Galaxy for our Linea Voyage. Galaxy has an outstanding team and platform and work closely with us to design an approach that would be valuable for our users, partners, and network. We're proud to have Galaxy alongside us as we work together to scale Linea and Ethereum. With huge success in the past campaigns, Galaxy is more than prepared to take you for a ride on Linea. So here's the campaign begins. Each week, this blog will be updated with the current theme, partners, and tasks involved. Week 1, May 2nd through 5th, is the bridging. So starting today, you have until the 5th. Can't see the calendar. So bridging, yeah. Bridging refers to the process of transferring digital assets or crypto between different blockchain networks or protocols. So with these, they have the different projects and what you can bridge or what's required. So bridge Geth from Gurley to Linea or USDC. Oh, and USDC from Gurley to Linea. Seller, asking users bridge BNB from BSC testnet to Linea. Bridge BUSD from BSC testnet to Linea. Multichain wants to bridge TUSD from Linea to via multichain, and bridge Euro E to Linea via multichain. Connex is asking users to bridge any amount of Matic from Mumbai to Linea. And you can go here and get started. Galaxy.com/Linea. And then I'm sure that it'll take you to the right place from there. I'm sure I need to change my network on here. Nope. So yeah, here we go. Ooh, carbon launch. Interesting. Don't know what that is, but it's cool. So we'll check out this little campaign real quick, before we get a bone out of here. Okay, so it looks like you collect points with this. So yeah, bridging activities. Oh, it's 5 to 5-7, not 5-5. Okay. So bridging activities will run from the 2nd today to the 7th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. You have 24 hours to claim points on the completed activity as long as it's performed by the 5-7 deadline. All eligible addresses will be updated daily every 24 hours. If you're seeing you're not eligible, check back after addresses have been updated. So you can do all these, collect the points for each one. And I already have, Linea followers. Verify that I have, nope, guess not. So I'll go ahead and retweet this. And if you want to participate, it's free. This is a test net, so you don't have to have any tokens and all that good stuff. I mean, you don't have to pay for tokens. You can just get it from the test net. But a lot of fun stuff. I think it's great to have these campaigns, these quests, these tasks, on-chain tasks that projects ask you to perform, get you more familiar with how to do things and how to navigate the blockchain space. But yeah, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or comments or need help with anything. But I think that'll be it for today. I appreciate y'all for hanging out. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.